Shillong Trends.
So currently this project is in the final stage, and right now only the cleaning part like in the windows and all is ongoing at site. And regarding this terrace roof, so that sheet we found somewhere the sticker and cleaning is not properly, so we suggest to the contractor to kindly replace the sheet with a new sheet. So that's why 2 days before they have started the work, and right now today they will finish by within 1 hour, and hopefully all this work is completed. So thank you. And this project also it's a very our for us very big project, so thank you for this.